Hello, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, you're watching the RevKid. Today I'm riding this bike, the Honda CBR 250R. Yeah, sports bike for a change. This is a 2011 model which I'm riding today. It was originally black in color, which has later been painted into this beautiful orange. The Honda CBR 250R is a popular entry-level sports bike that was first launched in India in 2011. It has a sharp and aggressive design with a full fairing that gives it a sporty look. It has a comfortable riding position, I would say, with the rear set foot pegs and a slightly raised handlebar, way more comfortable than in R15s and KTM. The 2011 CBR 250R is powered by a 249cc liquid-cooled 4-stroke engine that produces 26 bhp at 8,500 rpm and 22.9 Nm of torque at 7,000 rpm. It has a 6-speed gearbox and delivers smooth power delivery with a strong mid-range. This bike can reach a top speed of around 145 km per hour, which is the claimed top speed, which is impressive for a bike in its class. The CBR 250R has a well-balanced chassis that provides good stability and handling. Even the suspension is also good. It is a telescopic fork at the front and rolling monoshock at the rear, which provides a comfortable ride on most road conditions in India. This bike has a single disc brake at the front, a drum brake at the rear, which provides adequate stopping power. The CBR 250R has a fuel tank capacity of 13 liters and delivers a mileage of around 30 to 35 km per liter, which is decent for a sports bike, I think. Overall, the Honda CBR 250R is a great entry-level sports bike that offers a perfect balance of performance and comfort. It is suitable for both city riding and touring and has a reliable engine that can handle long rides. This bike is also reasonably priced and offers a good value for money. Now the question is, should we buy Honda CBR 250R in 2023? To answer this, I would say it depends on your personal preferences and requirements. The Honda CBR 250R is now over a decade old and there are already more technologically advanced models in the market. However, if you are looking for a budget-friendly sports bike that has a good balance of performance, comfort and reliability, the CBR 250R can still be a good choice. You can get one in the second-hand market in around under like 1,30,000, which is I think a great deal for a 250cc. And if you're a beginner, you can always try your hands on a second-hand bike. But before making a decision, it is important to consider factors such as the condition of the bike, maintenance history, availability of spare parts, resale value. It is also recommended to take a test ride and compare the bike with other models in its class to make an informed decision. Ultimately, you should buy a bike that meets your requirements and budget and gives you a good riding experience.